Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to review a spider podium which cost me around 145 rupees. So it's a very small one, only used for mobile purposes only, so you cannot mount tablets, anything. There is another size which used to available in the India, which can accommodate really large tablets, but now these days it is not available. So that is the only thing it will be available with us. So as you can see, it can be mounted like this, by using different adjustments. So one complaint which was raised by many users are it is very fragile. So if you try to move it, it will going to break it down. So I have also another one with me, which I have used for mounting my mobile and my monitor mount, and I find it really strong. So the only problem you will find with this is around this corner. So when you try to bend it, it might get break inside this, but because of the coating, it will not going to come out from it. So you can just mount it the way you want. So as you can see, I can move this, and it's pretty strong even with that. But don't try to test the strength by doing this, because it's coated with I think iron material, and it will tend to fall. So try to fold as less as you can after you have the adjustment. So don't use it for if you want to keep doing the adjustment on a daily basis. So if you do it on weekly basis, then that should be fine. So this is how it looks like, and let me show you how I use it with my monitor stand. So guys, this is my tablet stand which I have mounted on my monitor stand, which is flexi mount. So as you can see, this adjustment I have used the similar one, but it tends to it's kind of getting short, or I want to also use one another mobile, so I will try to mount it adjacent to this. So let me show you how I did that. So if you take it out, now you can see this is the same thing. And I think this thing, or maybe this thing is broke, but as you can see, it's still able to hold it. It just you won't be able to bend it in opposite direction. So I have also used another mount which I have purchased long time ago, I think around 8 to 10 years before. So it was imported from the China, and it cost me around 600 at that time, but now this adjustment is not available. So if you see the back side of it, now you can see, let me just turn on the flashlight. So now you can see how I mounted this, because there is no product available which can mount with the monitor stand, so I need to use this. And also I have used the legs inside this screws, which is a VESA mount screws. So that's how I try to mount it, and then the whole thing is getting out in order to support this, because if I just use this holes only, it will tend to fall. So I need to make a support with this tablet, and this is the end result. So as you can see, I have used one leg to give a support here, so that it won't get behind, and another using that. So one is these two will support it, and then this will help me to stopping from falling my mobile in the downwards, and these two things will support it from getting fall from the right hand side. So that's how I'm able to mount it, and I need to just make some adjustment, and yes, we are ready to go. So this is a 5.7 inch screen mobile, so it can be bent like this, 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 this and this, but as you can see, the length is very small. It's almost the same length of the to the 5.7 inch mobile, so you can get the idea how like big it is. So if you want to like mount it to like larger tablets like this, so I think you should go with two of these things, and you can just wrap it something like this and make it larger, and it will give you a much better coverage height wise. If you want to do it like that, then you can add another one, so you can wrap it around that and use it. But again, it will not be like as good as this one, so you can't use it while traveling. But if you want to have a similar setup, then I think it will give you some like overview. So I think it's a value for money product with 145 rupees, and you won't get this kinds of mounts anywhere in the market, like without Spider Podium, which can hang it like that. So if you have that particular requirements, then I think that's the best thing, and it's actually solid. Don't go with the comments like it will get broken. It will get broken if you keep doing that, for 1 minute or so. But most of the things can be achieved. Like I have done this. It took me around 15 minutes to keep bending and all, and it's still steady. And as you can see, it won't fall from it. And I also trust another mount for holding my tablet as well. So as you can see, I can just move this here and there without worrying about that my mobile will fall off. So go with this product. I think it's good. I bought it from Amazon, so I will post the link. And if you have any question regarding this, please comment below. I will try to answer them as soon as possible. And yes, thank you for watching. Have a nice day. Bye.